আজ আমরা নতুন কয়েকটি সমঝোতা
We concluded MOUs, renewed several of them, and made announcements for future collaboration.
যৌথ কার্যক্রম আমরা ঘোষণা করেছি। উভয় দেশ
Both countries endorsed the vision statement to guide us toward a peaceful and prosperous future.
পাশাপাশি ডিজিটাল
We
অংশীদারিত্ব,
agreed to have a shared vision for digital partnership and green partnership for a sustainable future.
এসব দুটি সমন্বিত রূপকল্পকে সামনে রেখে কাজ করতে আমরা দুই পক্ষই সম্মত হয়েছি। উপস্থিত
Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh-India relations are ever growing at a fast pace. Today, I held a meeting with Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, where we discussed the ways and means of collaborative engagement between the two countries.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi ke dawat dicchi Bangladesh
I am inviting Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to visit Bangladesh.
आइए बांग्लादेश में देखिए बांग्लादेश को कितना कुछ हमने कर पाया और हमने क्या करेंगे तो আমি নরেন্দ্র মোদীজিকে দাওয়াত দিচ্ছি বাংলাদেশে আসার জন্য।
I would like to take this opportunity to reiterate my invitation to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to visit Bangladesh to further strengthen the friendly relation of our two countries.
আমি আবারও আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাই।
I extend my sincere thanks once again that in future our two countries will work together, and when Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will visit to Bangladesh, we will take our relations to further heights. Extending my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Today we had a wonderful and fruitful discussion, and in future we will be able to change the future of our peoples and make prosperous and development nation. I thank you all. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu. May Bangladesh live forever. Long live Bangladesh-India friendship.
Thank you, Madam.